Here I will share how to create a glass effect with Canva. First, add your image. Resize it to fill the workspace. Duplicate the image and adjust the size. Optional, so that the object is right in the middle of the workspace, add a rectangle. Then add guidelines on each side. Then delete the rectangle again. Next, click on the top image, click Edit, select the blur effect, click Whole Image. Increase the intensity to about 40. Then crop the blurred image to adjust the line we made earlier. Make the angle about 40. Add a border. And change the border color to white. Then add text. Change the font and size accordingly. Change the text color to white. Then delete the guidelines. And lower the text opacity to 90. And this is the final result.